Today I want to walk you through one of the nicest remodels I've seen in a while. This one is right in my own neighborhood in Southwest Austin. This is 7600 Mifflin Kenedy Terrace, 2,500 square foot, 4-bedroom in Legend Oaks, which is a neighborhood that is zoned to excellent Southwest Austin schools that you've heard me talk about before. Great neighborhood amenities, 2 beautiful pools, tennis courts, and so much more, and walking distance to shops, restaurants, and movie theaters. So let's take a look at 7600 Mifflin Kenedy Terrace. I'm Chris Anderson at 12 Rivers Realty. Please like and subscribe for more Southwest Austin walking tours like this. Take a look at this primary bathroom, especially the vanity and the flooring tiles.